rise of digital journaling, the hobby rewriting mindfulness in 2025. Digital journaling has exploded in popularity over the past year, and it's not just a Gen Z trend anymore. It's a wellness ritual, a creativity booster, and a digital detox wrapped into one. Apps like Notion, Day One, and Journey have become household names among hobbyists who are blending daily reflection with the power of digital organization. This isn't your old school diary with a lock and key. Today's journaling hobby is part therapy, part productivity, and fully customizable. With AI-assisted prompts, syncing across devices, and even mood tracking features, journaling communities are popping up across platforms like Reddit, Discord, and Instagram, where enthusiasts share page layouts, emotional prompts, and screenshot aesthetics. Themes like January Reset, Mind Dump Mondays, or gratitude pages are now part of an evolving visual culture. People post their digital spreads like digital scrapbooks, full of stickers, embedded voice notes, mood meters, and color-coded entries. This visual aspect has been crucial in driving the popularity of the hobby. It's not just about what you write, but how it looks. This visual storytelling component is ideal for posters, reels, or thumbnails, making journaling not just introspective. Mindfulness-focused journaling routines like 5-minute reflection pages or evening wind-down logs have become staples for creators and 9-to-5 professionals alike. Some apps even generate visual analytics of your mood trends over weeks and months, making self-growth measurable and motivating. It's the gamification of introspection. Simple, habitual, and highly personal. And with the rise of minimalist lifestyle influencers and slow living advocates, digital journaling fits perfectly into the aesthetic of mindful productivity. Flat lay shots of iPads with pastel journaling spreads have gone viral on Pinterest and TikTok,